All right, if you're watching this video, you're probably having problems with the Google Business Profile video verification. Um, you have to act as like an investigator, right? You have to get in the mind of the Google AI, or whoever's approving these videos or denying them. You have to connect the location you say you're in with your business, the business with the office, and then the office with the business that you say is in that office. Okay. So this is like a guaranteed way to get verified. You need to start at like a street corner to show the cross street of your address. If there is no cross street and there's just a street sign, something that has the street on it, right? They need to see that. If there is no street sign close by, like it's a half mile away or whatever, you need to show businesses around it, okay? Because they're seeing this from like a satellite view, right? They're like way up in the sky. If they could see the businesses surrounding you and you're in the video with those businesses, that also helps. Or, if you can't get the street address. The next thing is you have to walk towards your building and show the sign on the building, okay? It needs to be a sign outside in front in the yard or something, but it's got to be more like a permanent sign. The second thing is a lot of businesses will have window clings on the door with the businesses that are inside there, if it's like a complex or an office building. And then the third thing is if they don't have those, there's usually a directory. When you first walk in, it says like what businesses are here, what suite number, what floor. You have to show that next, okay? At the same time, you cannot show the face of anybody. Google got sued. They don't want to get sued again. They're very strict about that. You cannot show anybody's face in this. So it can't be the receptionist. She can't smile, wave at you, anything, right? You have to walk to your office, show the suite number, show your sign on the office door, something to prove that that is your office, right? And that business is in this office. And then you have to go inside the office and unlock it, or the front door of the office, depending on your setup. But you have to show that you have access to this place, right? Then once you go inside and you're in your office, now you have to show you operate out of that office, okay? You have to have your computer. You can show your email, you create a quick email just showing that your business email signature is at the bottom of that email. Anything that kind of show you, if you got access to your website, you could log into your website, show them your website, show you logging into the website, anything that proves that you operate out of there. If you have people coming into your office a lot, you should have like some kind of things on display, brochures, pamphlets, shingles, some kind of materials, right, that they could pick from, business cards, all that kind of stuff. Just think about it this way. The more proof, the better. And the video has to be one long, continuous video showing all the things they want to see. It cannot be, one part and then they say, oh, you're denied. And then you show the part that was denied. You have to show all three parts again. You can't just do the denial. And be very careful with how many times you do this, because it's going to be a little more difficult once they deny it 3 or 4 times. You're going to reach your max capacity, and then you're going to have to go another route, which is a human appeal, and it just takes longer. But hope this helps. Bye.